Wait. Again. Roly poly, down, down, down. Out, out. In, in. Roly poly, roly poly. In. I don't do it.
Sattvic can staying late 1 to 2 a.m. telling about environment. The environment refers to the surroundings in which life exists on health components like animals, humans, sunlight, water, trees, and air make up the environment. Thank you.
Brought to you by but greatness to greatness
Sana.
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity. Allah and lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Myself Vishal from grade 10. Now I am here to give a speech. First, everyone know that exams are coming. Everyone will feel tensed and worried about exams. You should never feel worried about exams. Exams are kept to see how much knowledge you remember. And for example, if you get 70 marks out of 100, that means that you are gaining 70% of knowledge out of 100. So never feel bad or good if you get good marks. Enjoy your exams and write. All of you, all the best for your exams. Thank you.
Myself, Sana Kausar of grade 10 Jasper, here to give a speech on brother. A brother is a person who supports his family, father, mother and his sisters including his little brothers. He is the person who supports her sister more than his family. He is the person who always stands back of his father. By the absence of father, he will take the role of the father. Always remember that brother is a peaceful heart person with the peaceful mind and the determination to protect his family. Thank you.
Here to give a short speech on kindness. Kindness is the quality of being that involves consideration for others without expecting anything in return. Kindness begins with understanding that we all struggle. We can show kindness in many ways. like being generous, being helpful, and standing up for the right judgment. Kindness makes the world better and happier place for everyone. Kindness can boost our confidence and happiness. Kindness is often simple, free, and health enhancing. It can reduce our stress, anxiety, and depression. It is the subject of philosophy, psychology, and religion. Kindness is more than behavior. If you help someone without your selfishness, you cause no harm, but you gain a lot of respect from them. Kindness has no limitations. It is free. Kindness is free to give, but priceless to receive. It doesn't cost anything to be kind. So be kind. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, I'm Krishna of Great and Jasper. Today, my speech about games. Games is important for our body. While we are playing games, we'll be very active and healthy. And some members have in games also inspirations like Cristiano Ronaldo and Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, etc. In games also different types is there: indoor games and outdoor games. Outdoor games. Outdoor games means kabaddi, cricket, like etc. Indoor games, chess, coco, like that, etc. And I'm saying only one thing. Playing time, play. Don't waste your time. Thank you.
Now I am here to give a short speech on sister. Short speech on sister. Sister is our second mother who take care like a mother. They possess inner beauty which shines through their kindness and finding creative solutions to the problems, making us to be happy, motivated in many situations. And I want all my sisters to be kind and helpful helpful. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Shashank of Great and Jasper. Today I am going to say the importance of education. Education is very important for us. It is the best survival strategy to survive in this present era. Education offers us knowledge and employment through which we can earn money and make ourselves financially strong. Money is an essential resource. Money is an essential resource to live. It gives us luxuries which make us happy. The famous blogger Quentin R said that money has power to solve 99% of the problems of humans. From all this we can say money makes us happy. And the education is the best way to earn money and live happily. And some people think that we can earn money by doing business, but business is not a practical plan. According to the survey in 2023, 70% of the startups are failing. But a person who is educated can get employment even after his business fails. In this age, students will attract to their opposite sex. By that, they are not concentrating on their studies. But these things are just because of their hormones in their body. Now they have to study. This is studying time, they have to study. In future, after earning money and their mind will be matured, then they can think of those things. If you study well, if you study well, you can earn money and think about these things. So I suggest all students to study well, earn money and enjoy your life. Thank you.
I am Soumya of Grade 10, here to say a speech on money. Money is necessary for us, not all purpose in our life. More than money, character is important. If you have your money, you feel that secure and safety. Don't give much power to the money. Do not think money is everything. If you have a great vision of doing something good for the society, the resource will come automatically when your heart is pure and your intention is clear and your work is good. Happiness is not found in the way of possessing money. It lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of effective creativity. నీ చుట్టూ ధన ధాన్యాలు ఉన్నాయని మురిసిపోకు. నీతో ఎంత ధనం ఉన్నా కానీ నువ్వు తినేది పిడికెడు మెతుకు అని మర్చిపోకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.